Introducing the Bathroom Vanity by SpryInterior. A premium, handcrafted product made entirely from natural wood. Its unique design can be customized to fit your space perfectly. The Bathroom Vanity is delivered in disassembled parts for easy transportation. When your package arrives, follow our step-by-step instructions to assemble your table. The tabletop is shipped in one piece, so you don't need to install it. Start by assembling the table legs. Each part is numbered. Match the numbers and connect the pieces. Use a hammer to secure the parts. Place a cloth or soft material over the wood before hammering to prevent damage. Repeat this process for all remaining sections. Once the trunk is complete, start assembling the tabletop and body. To ensure stability, secure the table to your wall using the provided screws. Once assembled, your bathroom vanity is ready to use. Place the bathroom vanity in your bathroom. Install the appropriate sink and water system. Decorate freely to create your own personal bathroom style.